Okay, we got a 2018 Dodge Ram. I'm on the factory alarm system. He's got the topper in the back. They went ahead already and busted the back here and stole a bunch of tools already. So he wanted to make sure that that doesn't happen again. So what we did is we added the shock sensor to the factory alarm system, so that way he doesn't have to carry another remote control around. And then we also hooked up a magnetic switch back here in case they open up the back. It will fire off the factory alarm system because it's tied into the factory alarm as well. So this is a 2018 Ram 1500. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the window, and that will fire off the alarm, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys the demo on the back lid. I'm gonna go ahead and open the lid. The alarm fired off. This shock sensor with the back lid pin switch is installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialist. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is on a Ram 1500 2018. Thank you for watching this video.